Hey everybody, so I just got to a pool that I just started working for like a couple weeks ago, and I noticed in the bottom, let me just see if you can see that. So there's the return line. That is actual sand from the sand filter that should not be in the pool. And we're going to go to the other return line, which is going to be right down here. And this is what it looks like if you have a broken lateral. Okay, so here is the other return line, and that's not even actually pointing in the exact direction that it needs to be, so I'm going to need to fix that. But as you can see, there's a pile of sand right below it. So we'll come back over here. That's what it looks like if you have a broken lateral. The only way to fix it is for them, for a company to actually open it up and to fix it. The lateral is basically just a piece of PVC type material that has little slits in it. When it breaks or cracks, this is what happens. The best way to test to see if you have a broken lateral, besides visually, is you can take some type of bag that has holes in it, attach it to it, and let it run for a few hours, and then check the bag. There should not be any sand in the bag, or you have more than likely you have a broken lateral. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video to help you out. If you like videos like this, please subscribe for more. I'm going to need to actually contact this customer and let him know the bad news and see what he wants to do about it, because it's not going to actually fix itself. What will happen is we'll eventually lose all of the sand, and so I'm going to vac this out with the hammerhead pull vacuum right there and get this cleaned up. So all right, well, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Here is what the sand looks like after I vacuumed it out, and you can clearly see this is what it looks like to have sand from your sand filter actually come back to the pool. If you ever see this, it's not a good sign, and you need a swimming pool company to come out. They'll probably do the bag test where they put the bag on the return line for a few hours and check it. But this is what it looks like. That is pool filter sand, and it should not ever be in the pool. And as you can see, this is a good amount. So I just spoke with the owner, and he's going to have a company come out and replace the laterals and the sand. And so just wanted to show you that.